fresh nung aura mo.
Thank you, Gretch.
Ano yung look that you went for tonight for the ball?
Ano ba? Siguro sa Vietnamese designer and one look from a Lithuanian designer. Agad-agad. Right now,
Style. Look, all the elements are there.
And now we got Ate Nini, Janine Gutierrez walking the red.
now you know where beautiful smiles are made.
There we go. A while ago, we saw Malu de Guzman.
Start na ba kayo nag taping?
ABS-CBN family. Pero
Siya nag-day one na siya,
brighter
ako
together
hindi
tayo
pa.
tonight kasi nandito na rin tayo.
We're excited to watch.
Oh,
wow.
my goodness.
Andrea
She is the
Brillantes.
moment. Here she is, the most
Oh my
beautiful.
God. As they're gonna go inside, I am now going to call another beautiful, beautiful, wow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Even though I'm scared to laugh, baby, you know the pain is unbearable. There's no way inside.
And there we go. Speaking of PBB as well, Kobe Brown on the red carpet right now.
Always a showstopper on the back.
It feels amazing just because I know that I'm gonna see everyone again, you know, and
You could be with us here tonight. See it in more detail now.
alam mo, consistent.
Yes.
I may be biased, but Kyle, I always love his red carpet looks. Even his like